Hi, in this video we will learn about how to create a booking form and how that booking form could be used to place an order. We will also see how to activate agent earnings, and then we will see the whole process of creating and completing a task. For creating a booking form, what you have to do, you have to add an extension in the Toucan, and for that, see, you can go to this extension box where you can add several extensions. Here in these add-ons, what you would do, you will type booking here. Let it load. So here you will type BOOKING booking, and you will see there are booking forms. I have already added in my account, so you will see only a deactivate option, but you have to activate it, and then you go to your settings. In settings you will find there is a form editor option, this one. So what is form editor? It allows you to add a web page where your customer can place an order. As you can see, I have already added a form page, and I have given that URL of orderforyours.toucan.in, and workflow was pickup and delivery, job type was only pickup, this was the theme of the color, and the login required, yes, sign up allowed, yes, auto assignment label, yes, geofence, no, edit by customer, no. These are the several things that we add into form. So we will learn how to add a form. To add a form, you will click on add form. Here you will type any URL like buyforall.toucan.in. So on this web URL, your customers can place your order. The workflow would be appointment, field and force, or pickup delivery. I will choose the pickup delivery for this. The job type would be of only delivery. I will not pick up, I will just deliver it from my point of sale. I will select a template here. I will select a random color for my page. Login required, yes. Sign up allowed, yes. Auto assigned enabled, yes. The task that customer will be, the order that the customer will be placing will be auto assigned to the driver, yes, we have allowed that. Allow the autofill information, yes. Allow the search, allow to search all customers, no, we don't allow them to search all customers. Allow edit booking to the customers, no, we don't allow to edit the bookings. Geofence is also disabled for this specifically. If you want it, you can use it. Geofence is disabled. Team, we will see, we will select the default team. Show dark map, yes. Select language, English, yes. Hippo chat, okay, we will enable it. And you can choose your icons. Let's see if it goes without them. Okay, save it. So I will be using the orderforus.toucan because I have put icons and our logo in it. I haven't used this, so we will see how our web page looks like. So this is order for us web page or your booking form. On your first view, you have to sign up for this page. To sign up, they will ask for your general email ID and then password only. Once you create it, it is a really easy process. Then you will put your email ID here, and then you will put your password here and log in. This is the customer side interface. So customer can place an order from here. He will place an order from here, like he can put in the notes, pick up notebook from my home. Here you can mention the name who will provide you the book, like Anita would provide you the book. You can type your email ID here, and pick up before, you can select your time before which the driver or agent has to pick the book. The custom location is, you have to mention your house number. But for this thing I will just auto detect it, and it will detect my house. Okay, it detected my neighbor's house. And here you can put a reference image, like what kind of my house is. So for the reference image, you can select, you can have an image where you can put the image of your house. So suppose this is my house. I will just copy the link of this image and then I will put it here. I can also drag and drop some other image from my computer. Okay, I have already mentioned everything. So the customer now, after clicking on the placing order, the customer has placed the order. So now the customer has placed the order. So what you can see, my phone is also ringing because I have installed the driver app in my phone. As you can listen to it that my driver app is ringing and it is asking me to take the task as it is auto assigned. Okay, this is here auto assigned, but so this is trying to auto assign to the Ripudaman, who is our driver, and assign agent. You can also assign some other driver from here if you have to manually assign it. Okay, you can use the geofence, but okay, we will cover it later. Geofence is nothing but a certain geographical area where any driver within that area, that driver would be assigned for the task. Here you can assign the default team and then just pick up Ripudaman. He is near 6 km from that place. Just click on submit. Okay, so we will see that we will see it. Okay, so as I'm token task has been assigned. Here I have an option to accept the task. I will accept it, and once I accept it, the driver will click here and he will start the journey. The Ripudaman has started the task. You can see he has started, and once he reached the destination, he knows that the house looks like this and he will put it successfully. All clear, no task has been there. The task has been completed successfully. Also you can see that one task has been completed. He has delivered the book to he has picked up the book. As one task is completed, he has picked up the book from Anita. So what next we would learn? We have learned how to create a booking form. Also we have learned placing an order, and we have also seen how to create and completion of a task. Now we will see activating agents earning on it. How to activate agents earning on it? You have to click on settings and then you can go to templates. Here I have already created a template that is for pickup and delivery, but okay, for you I will create. You can take from the library any of the templates like food delivery, this, that, all the templates that will come here. As I have created the pickup and delivery, I will go to I will show you how to what are the things we have mentioned here. This is the template that our agent will see, and but for this video we will learn about how the task price and agent earnings are managed. We will see that for the task earnings we have to add a rule. Rule name is task earning. Okay, I will show you how to add a rule. Click on add rule, give a rule name like okay, task earning 2, and the precision level is up to 2 decimals. This task pricing applies to agent earning or the task pricing. We will select the agent earning, or you can also select the task pricing. So additionally, how the price is charged, basically what you do, you charge a base fare for your task. Suppose you charge 50 rupees for your task, for any task, but for that base fare you provide customer with base duration, base distance and base waiting time. Suppose for the 50 rupees you cover a 5 km distance, like up to 5 kilometers you won't charge anything beyond 50, and that for covering that 5 kilometers you suppose that it will take at most 10 minutes, and when you reach the destination or when you or when you are in that vicinity of that point, you allow the driver to wait for 2 minutes. So these are the three things you provide the customer in base fare. But what happens if the distance was altered? Suppose you have a traffic jam or some kind of work is going on the road, you have to choose another route, and when you choose another route, the customer will be charged according to that route. So for that, if the distance is increased by 2 kilometers, so I will charge rupees 5 per kilometer. And also, and if the duration is also increased, you suppose I will also take per minute 4 rupees. Also, if you wait more than 2 minutes, that was included in the base fare, you will charge rupees 5 additional per minute. And how you can use such thing is, like, this is a rainy day, today is a rainy day and your drivers are not coming. So what you will do, you will ask the drivers like, today I will pay you 1.3 times, or you have 20 orders but you can fulfill only 10 orders. Here you can make money, you can put it, you can charge a surge like 1.3 times of the basic fare you will charge. Surge criteria, you can charge if you are allowed to allow the surge. In case you are not satisfied with journal 1.3 times, you can have a criteria for this your own. Waiting time criteria, that you can select if you want to. The path calculation would be the original path, or if the customer has moved towards you or away from you, depending upon that, it will calculate the path. If you select this, the both of the options are there, he will see which one is the bigger one. And the deductions, like you charge 15% for every order. This is kind of different business model. And maximum limit is you cannot charge rupees more than 150 rupees. Whatever the rules are set here, you have to charge the 150 at max. So you will save the template, and that's how you enable the agent earnings.